Alright, hey guys, it's Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. Just wanted to shoot a really quick video. I'm actually in the truck right now, as you can probably see. Got this cool new app for the phone that'll actually let me record my face and kind of out the front, so it's using both cameras now on the phone, which is pretty cool. And then I've also got, if you can see it right back here, right there, the 360 cam recording. So that's kind of what this video is going to be about, right? So I'm leaving right now actually to go pick up some dinner for the family. Not doing anything overlanding necessarily, but just wanted to kind of test out both the double camera view, so I can flip back and forth between the forward facing, so I'll do that now, and then the selfie view, which is pretty handy. And then also, like I mentioned, got the 360 cam going back here, and so that's kind of the gist of this video. Is I just wanted to make a video really quick for you guys so you could kind of like ride along with me in the truck, right? And actually sort of see what I'm seeing. I'm seeing there's a lot of vibration in the mount that I've got the phone on, so that's fun. But yeah, so check out the 360 cam, drag it around, and you'll be able to see the whole inside of the truck. You'll be able to see my headliners, my patches up on the headliner. You'll be able to see the drawer system in the back, the big slider. You can kind of see the setup. I've of course got some gear in here right now, because I always have gear in here, because I'm just ready to go. But yeah, drag it around, check it out, and you'll get to see a little bit of the inside of the truck. So I hope that's interesting for you guys. I hope that's cool. Again, just a short video to kind of show you guys that. Hope you enjoy, and yeah, there'll be a trick video coming soon of like trails and stuff like that with this same setup. Actually, I will. It's raining right now. The 360 cam is waterproof, but when I'm on the trail, my plan is to put it actually using my new suction cup mount, the PGY Tech thing that I reviewed, that I'll put a little tag to up here if you want to go check that thing out. I'm going to put that on the windshield and have that around the truck, so you can actually turn the camera view all the way around to see like the trail and all the way around me where I'm going. So that should be pretty cool. So that's kind of the main reason that I got the 3D camera, or the 360 camera, was to be able to share like full trails with you guys, to be able to share the whole campsite with you guys, and just kind of give you a different perspective on what I'm seeing. So anyways, hope that's interesting. Like I said, check it out. If you don't already, definitely consider clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell to be notified when a new video drops. I drop at least a couple videos a week, but I'm getting more and more into it, planning to drop even more videos like this, kind of some Xterra specific, some DIY specific videos. And then if you're into like camera stuff and like recording your trips, I'm really into that stuff too, so maybe at some point there might be a separate sort of series around, videography and recording your trips and things like that. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. My name's Fletch, All Things Overlanding. Get out there, live, learn, discover, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.